Hey there. Today we'll guide you on how to disable Data Saver on X, specifically on Twitter, with these simple steps. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device to access your Twitter account. Step 2. Tap your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Settings and Support from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Tap on Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Step 5. Navigate to Accessibility, Display, and Languages within the Settings menu. Step 6. Select Data Usage to manage your data settings. Step 7. Finally, toggle the switch to Off to disable Data Saver and allow for full data usage on Twitter. By following these steps, you can easily turn off Data Saver on X, Twitter, and enjoy the full experience without any data-saving restrictions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.